Welcome to 120 Beth Hope Lane. This awesome 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with a covered front porch, 2-car garage, large back deck, an interior with granite countertops throughout. It's located in the Busch Gardens subdivision in the St. Andrews area in Northwest Columbia. It's convenient to I-26 and I-20, Harbison dining and shopping, as well as just a quick drive to downtown Columbia. So we're out front. You can see you have a nice exterior on the front with the stacked stone accents around the 2-car garage door, nice wide driveway as well. And then we sort of walk down a little bit up to the covered front porch, as you can see here, up a couple of steps. And then we enter into sort of a small formal living space, or just a sitting room right off of the entry. And you have a nice arched opening to that room, nice high ceilings downstairs throughout as well. You can see the view back towards the foyer and front door. We also have a coat closet here, conveniently located off of the entry hall. And then as we swing around, you can see the living space, stairs going up to the second level. And then of course, right off the entry as well, we do have a half bathroom. So you have a pedestal sink and commode and nice oval mirror in here. And then you have the main living space, as you can see, is open plan. So you have a nice sized family room here with a ceiling fan, a couple of nice high windows on that wall, more private, and then larger windows along the back wall looking out over the deck. And that's all open to the dining area and also the kitchen, which has a beautiful island with bar seating, as you can see. Nice light granite countertops in here as well, dark cabinets, and included stainless steel appliances. You have a dishwasher, above range microwave, smooth top electric range, French door refrigerator with the bottom drawer freezer also. And then you also have a corner pantry tucked back here, and it is a walk-in pantry as well. And then access off of this side of the kitchen to the garage. And also you have a nice sort of mudroom area as you come in with a built-in bench and some seating and hooks. And some nice cubbies below as well for shoes or other storage as you come off the conveniently located garage entry. So you step down a couple steps into the garage. It's a nice size. You can see there is a small or medium-sized SUV parked inside right now just for scale. You have some built-in sort of rack system as well for hanging items along the perimeter also. As you can see, some are already in place. And then we'll go ahead and take a look out the back. Door open for you. So you have a nice deck off the back of the home that sort of spans along the back of the property. Some nice tree, nice sort of couple large trees on this side, giving you a little bit of privacy from the neighbors. And then you can see out there. Then you do have a little bit of yard kind of down below here as well. And then back inside our 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths are up the stairs. You have carpeting starting here as we go up. You have a nice loft space off of the upstairs landing as well. So just some additional living space or multi-purpose space to use however you wish. Could be possibly a study area, workout, small office space, however you want to use that, or just another sitting area for recreation. But you do have a ceiling fan here, a couple windows, and the primary bedroom suite, which is a very nice size, as you can see, is right across from that. Plenty of space for a king-size bed or larger furniture if you have that ceiling fan in here as well. And then, of course, the ensuite full bathroom, as you can see, has granite countertops as well. with double sinks. You have a private water closet there. And on the opposite side, you have a linen closet. And then a nice step-in shower as well. You have a nice corner seat in there. And then at the back end, very nice size walk-in. As you can see, plenty of floor space in the center. And you have a nice window letting in some natural light in there. And as you can see on the wall, control for the tankless water heater as well, conveniently located right in that primary suite. And then off the hall, some additional storage space with the linen closet, second full bathroom, also with granite countertops, and a shower and tub. Directly across from that, you have your laundry room, so full-size laundry room, very nice size, with a window, some shelving above, and an included washer and dryer. Do confirm with management that those will still be available or included at the time that you may lease the property. Another bedroom here, which is a nice size as well, sort of a corner bedroom, faces the front of the home. That primary suite did face the rear. You have a nice size closet there with double doors. Bedroom number 3, opposite of that. And this one is sort of on the left side of the house if you're facing from the street. And then roughly same size closet in this room. So it looks like all 3 bedrooms do have ceiling fans as well. So that does complete our tour of this home. Again, the address here is 120 Beth Hope Lane in Northwest Columbia. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.